A man was fatally shot by the police in Waterloo, Spanish Town, St. Catherine this morning during an operation targeting suspects in Tuesday's killing of a couple and their son in their home in the community. Those killed were Omar Wellington, Saran Francis Wellington, and Orlando Wellington. The police say a .38 pistol was seized from the deceased man in today's confrontation. They say a further search led to the seizure of a .357 Magnum revolver. It is reported that about 4 a.m. police personnel were on operation in the community when the suspect, who goes by the alias Gaza, was spotted inside a house. He reportedly challenged the police and was shot and killed in the exchange. 2 firearms were seized according to the police. 2 brothers are now in custody after allegedly attempting to rob a 72-year-old businessman in St. Mary on Tuesday. The police report that about 3 p.m. the elderly businessman, who is a licensed firearm holder, returned home after doing business at the NCB in Port Maria earlier in the day. On exiting his motor vehicle, the elderly man reportedly saw 2 unknown men approaching him. He called out to his wife to close all the doors as he ran inside. The 2 men, 28-year-old Evan Edwards and 39-year-old Al Wayne from Islington, allegedly started pounding on the door. The licensed firearm holder reportedly fired at the men, who ran off. As they tried to escape, they were reportedly approached by a retired district constable who was unaware of what had happened. The Edwards brothers then allegedly opened fire at the retired cop. The former cop returned fire, hitting the older sibling, Al Wayne, while the younger one fled the scene. It is reported that the younger brother returned to the scene to retrieve the weapon and was pointed out. He was arrested along with his injured brother, who had earlier been taken to medical facility for treatment. A 9mm weapon was allegedly retrieved from the scene of the incident. The Highgate police are investigating.